Hello, welcome to Lloyd Land Rover Stockton. My name's Sam. Today we have a beautiful example of a Defender 90 in stock with us today. This one in particular is a D250. It has a 3-litre diesel engine, 250 horsepower diesel engine, and it's an X-Dynamic SE. So lots of nice specification on this car. Straight away you can see it's finished off in the stunning metallic Tasman Blue. So spec-wise on this car, we've got extended exterior black pack, which blacks out that lettering, the grille, and part of being an X-Dynamic, we get that nicer body kit on the car. So the paint coated black wheel arches as opposed to the typical plastic that you get on a non-X-Dynamic. We've got 3D surround camera, which we get standard on all Defenders. We're coming right round to the side with some stunning optional 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels. We've got front and rear classic Defender mud flaps along with fixed side sensors. So nice expensive accessories on the vehicle as well. Keyless entry, power folding wing mirrors. Of course, we've got privacy glass for the people who are sat in the rear of the car, with the Defender 90. So coming right round to the rear, we've got a black spare wheel cover. You'll see this nice little spoiler on the back as well, a slightly lit spoiler. And if we're looking into the rear of the Defender, you can see that you've got a good sized boot. It is a texturised finish, so it's a bit more utilitarian as opposed to the typical carpet boot. It will wear better than most cars. Storage space in the back, and of course we do have some little bits of storage space underneath. Now, if you want to take a little look into the inside of the car, we've got electric seats here for both the driver and the passenger. And of course we do have 3 seats behind those 2 front ones, and it is really easy to get in and out of those rear seats by simply folding them back. Now we've got memory seats on the driver's side, Meridian speakers. If you are into your music, sounds fantastic. Full digital dashboard, which doesn't read many miles at all, so 6,268 miles. Now we've got adaptive cruise control, voice control, all our assist systems on the control and the wheel as well. Auto lights, auto wipers of course. And looking over here, we've got the huge infotainment system, which is Pivi Pro. Navigation, phone connectivity, media connectivity, including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. As mentioned outside, we do have that full 360 or 3D surround camera, as they call it in Land Rover, which gives us that nice bird's eye view when we do come to park the vehicle. And dual zone climate control, we've got heated seats on this car as well. All our different driving modes right around the vehicle as well, that you'd expect to find in your Land Rover, but lots of storage right around the car. Twin cup holders, we've even got an extra drawer just between the 2 front seats as well for more storage. Wireless device charger, which is nice because it is slightly tilted, so it keeps your phone in there. And in between the 2 front seats, we've got even more storage space. One nice bit of specification I find is that the sliding panoramic roof that this car is equipped with, now that's not actually standard on the SE specification. So again, when this car has been ordered from new, someone has fitted that on there, which brightens up the cabin, makes the car feel even more spacious than it already is.